Hi guys, it's Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and today I'm sharing how to make bleach dye t-shirts with items found at the Dollar Tree. It's super easy to take a few dollars and transform a simple black t-shirt into a custom design. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get to crafting. The first step in making your bleach dye shirt is to make sure you have a piece of foam board or cardboard under your t-shirt. You want to make sure that there's something there to protect the bleach from running through. You don't want the design to necessarily appear on the back. So I'm just going to put this on a piece of foam board that I have. I picked up this shirt as well as all the products used in this craft project at Dollar Tree. Sometimes the shirts at Dollar Tree may have some imperfections in it, like holes, but this one looked good to go. So be sure to keep an eye out for that if you are picking up a t-shirt at Dollar Tree. Now that it's here, I'm going to cut out the stencil that I made with my Cricut. I actually used a piece of the Dollar Tree shelf liner to make this stencil, and it's great because it's an inexpensive way to make stencils that can be easily used for wood pieces, the bleach dye t-shirts. Also use it with etching cream, that's another great thing. Again, just a really inexpensive stencil to use. Now that the stencil is cut out, I'm going to apply it to the shirt using a piece of transfer tape. This is also one of the shelf liners from the Dollar Tree. It's just the clear version, so I can see where this guy's going to stick. I'm just going to line it up right in the shirt. Usually with shirt designs, I like to measure it 3 to 4 fingers from the top. Then just make sure the dino sticks completely on the shirt. That the dinosaur is completely on, it's time to add our bleach mixture. I put Dollar Tree bleach in this old bottle and mixed in a little bit of water. Now it's time to just spray it on the shirt. I want to get it around so you can see the dinosaur completely. And then add some sprays on the shirt. You can see the colors beginning to change. Now it's time to spray the back. I'm just going to hold it up like this and spray. Just add a little bit of a design on the back. All we have to do is sit back and wait for our shirt to dry. If you're looking to hang up your shirt while it's dry, I recommend taking a paint hanger and just attaching it right to the foam board or cardboard that you have in your shirt, and this way you can easily hang it up while it dries. After the shirt's been sitting for about 20 minutes, it's time to wash the bleach out. Just going to remove it from the cardboard. Let's remove that. The stencil as well. You can clearly see that. That looks so cool, especially with the dinosaur. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to bleach dye t-shirts with items found at the Dollar Tree. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.